Hello family, I'm super excited to have you here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Roxin. I am an importation coach. I teach people how to import from China, UK, Turkey and Bangladesh. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to download the 1688 app from the official website, which you can use to source for all the goods, chat the suppliers, track all the orders and shipment. And before we dive into today's tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that if I upload any similar video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, so the first step is to go to your Google Chrome browser on your phone and type 1688.com. .com. So you tap on the first one that appears. Within some few seconds, it will take you to the official website where you'll be able to download the app. So I'll close all this because I've downloaded the 1688 app on my phone already. So you tap on download, but yours will be in Chinese. Let me show you. Here's it. So this interface where you tap on this place to download and install the 1688 app. Here is the 1688 app. This is how it looks. And if you have any further questions, drop it in the comment section. And if you want to learn how to import from China, leave a comment about it and I'll add you to the importation class. I have 3 importation classes, and this is the first one, which contains almost 400 members, and the second one is 57 members, and the third one has almost 300 members. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more importation tips. Okay, let me take you through the entire interface of the 1688 app to show you items that you can import from China. You can import all these things: sneakers, mobile phones, blenders, rice cookers, kitchenwares, many more. Bike, wristwatch. Okay, let me click on this smartphone. Wow, so you can actually import this. You can import all mobile phones. Okay, let me tap on this tablet. So you can also import this. This is amazing. Water bottle. Very cheap in China. Okay, let me tap on this smartwatch. You can also import laptop. Also TV. 32 inches up to 95 inches. A lot. Fridge is available. You can also import it.